What's up guys, it's Chad here with G-Reviews, coming to you from my driveway once again today for another review. On this truck, it's a 2020 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. On this truck, what do you guys think is the most expensive factory installed option? We're going to find out right after this. I have the window sticker for this particular truck behind me. Do you guys think it is the factory black painted wheels? No. Do you think it's the factory installed Warren 12,000 pound winch? No. What about the factory installed 360 degree camera system? It's not that either. What about the sunroof? Nope, not that either. The most expensive option is actually on the inside. Let's go take a look. There's no secret. The most expensive option on this 2020 Ram Power Wagon is going to be that Uconnect 12-inch screen. I think I got something that's going to help keep that screen in tip-top shape for years to come. Let's check it out. Got something in my center console here, in my secret compartment. Let's take a look at what I got. Alright, what is this? Alright. Alright, this is the Kykr 12-inch Uconnect screen protector. I'm going to go over exactly what this product is and how to install it right after this. Now I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Got my handy dandy Kershaw. We're going to make a nice little slit down the side here, trying not to cut too deep. Alright. As you can see, this actually has very nice packaging. So let's open her up. Alright, what we have in here, try not to get any dirt. It's got two Kykr stickers. It's got a screen protector accessories. That's going to be your alcohol wipe for the screen. You have your instructions right here. Okay. You got a very nice suede microfiber cleaning cloth, and then the actual screen protector is going to be in a static-free bag. So we're going to go in the truck, prep it, and then I'm going to install it, and we'll go from there. The main reason I want to protect this large investment in the middle of my vehicle, that's such a large target, is due to these two in the back. Now, they have decent discipline, okay, but every now and again on a long trip, they just can't keep it together. So sometimes objects get thrown into the front of the vehicle, and what is a large target? Right there in the center, the most expensive option on this truck. So putting this screen protector on might just save me a ton of money. On to the install. Now there's two things that I've gotten that's going to help you that aren't included in the kit. Alright, I got a microfiber towel, clean microfiber towel, and I have got a gift card. Don't matter, a credit card, gift card, and I'll explain that in shortly. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do, okay, take your microfiber cloth with any sort of your favorite interior cleaner, and I want you to wipe around the screen, okay, wipe around the bezel, around all the black piano color here. Make sure you get any existing dust, debris, anything from around where your factory plastic cover is. I haven't taken it off yet. I was waiting until the screen protector came in before I peeled that off. It just helps with the cleaning process. When you are confident that you got 99% of everything, because 100% is not going to happen, okay? Next step, you're going to want to use your Purell and clean your hands. The main reason for that is so you don't leave any Rona on your hands and then put the Rona under the screen protector, so in 5 years when the thing falls off, it's not going to release the Rona into your vehicle. No, I'm just kidding. The hand sanitizer is just to get all the existing oil and grease off your hands from whatever you've touched getting into your vehicle. Alright. Wait until all that's dry, do a little flapping. Okay, first things first, you're going to grab your Kykr kit. You want to open it, exposing the instructions. First thing, clean the display with the provided cloth. Okay, So we're going to peel this off. Woo! Alright, I don't know if you can tell, but they're right around where the sticky part was. Probably on the camera won't pick it up. There is definitely some dirt, okay? So we're going to peel that, exposing the small cleaning cloth here. There's multiple ones, okay? And you're just going to wipe all the dust and debris off of that screen around there, okay, around the bezel. Now the one they're using is 2 in the little packaging, okay? Do not use this one to wipe the screen. And matter of fact, I am not going to wipe the screen because nothing has touched it, okay? Nothing has touched that screen. Alright, got that. Then I'm going to take the big cloth and I'm just going to wipe straight down because within the 5 seconds I've been talking, I'm sure some dust and dirt has fallen on the screen. Okay, got that. Alright, number 2 step, it says take stickers and get any other debris off. Well, there's no debris I can see. Alright, peel the plastic backing off of the screen protector. So, here's the meat and potatoes of this kit. We have the screen protector. Alright, I'm pulling it out of the packaging. Here it is, okay? Here's your screen protector. It is actually nice and thick. Looks like a matte finish. And then down here it has one, it says back, okay? Back meaning the part that goes to the screen. Alright, this particular screen doesn't have any buttons or anything you have to worry about. So you're going to grab it like this, okay? You're going to want to take this, and that's where you start peeling. Now I'm exposing the sticky edge. Alright, so peel that. Alright, try to expose the top as much as possible, but do not let that go back down because now you're going to be putting dirt and debris back onto the screen. Okay? So once you're confident you got it lined up, keep on peeling all the way down and just let it lay. Okay? Let it lay. Now I know you can't see it, but it's biting itself, it's sticking. It's adhering to the screen. Alright, the importance of this card. Any air bubbles, I see 2 air bubbles. I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera. Oop, wrong way. Yes, actually yes, you see these 2 air bubbles right here. Now nothing came in the kit that'll help this except for this nice little gift card I got. So you try to find the closest place. I'm just going to go straight down with gravity and I'm just going to keep pushing. Now this one might not come out. I hope it will, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. Well, I might have an air bubble in my screen protector here, guys. I'm hoping the heat will get it out. I don't know if you can see. It's still there. Very so slightly there. Alright. Well, that's that. If you don't get 100%, and if you're OCD, you can always buy another one. Whatever you do, do not pull it off and try to release the air bubble and put it back down. That's not a good idea. That right there is going to allow lint and stuff to get up underneath of there, and it's just not going to come out good. So take this again, you know, wipe your screen down, okay? I mean, sometimes that'll help doing that. But so far so good. I mean, it looks nice. I'm really hoping that with time, that little bubble is going to come out. No guarantees. But as you can see, it's definitely a lot smaller than it was. Well, that's that. The screen protector is very nice. I'm not sure if my camera is going to be able to focus or not, but there. As you can see, there's no fingerprints or smudges left behind from my fingers. The only thing is, this is not a matte finish, but it is a shiny finish, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it is in the sunlight. But so far so good. Just a quick update for you guys. Now, I installed the screen protector 2 days ago. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can tell or not, but there is no air bubble. Don't know if you remember in the previous clip, there was actually an air bubble still left after the install process. And just letting the truck sit for 2 days outside, it's obviously an outside only truck, the air bubble just worked itself out, just with the heat and whatnot. Well, there you guys have it. Everything is all good. And just a little information, the actual screen protector itself sits flush with the bezel, so it doesn't stick up any extra. It actually just sits flush with the bezel, which is great. And again, still love the screen protector. It still looks amazing. It doesn't give me any loss of touch feel or anything to it. The screen doesn't lag at all from when I touch, so everything's all good on that. Well, that concludes my review of the Kykr 12-inch Uconnect screen protector. Alright, the installation was straightforward and easy. The product itself is great. It doesn't leave any finger smudges on the glass. Like I said again, it's a gloss finish and not a matte finish, so if you're looking for something matte, I have some information. Just leave in the comments below on where the best place to get one of those in matte finishes. I got some good information on that. And as always, guys, I give this 2 thumbs up. And like I said, I got this right on Amazon for like 35 bucks. So it's great bang for the buck, and it should keep that screen protected for the longevity of the product. Alright guys, have a great weekend, and thank you for watching G Reviews. Bye.